Alright, hi there everyone. Today I'm going to show you a demo of our brand new practice test software. It's an online practice test software designed for the GRE and the GMAT. Today I'm going to focus on the GMAT practice test. And the idea here is to help you as a student really get more practice tests to help you prepare for the GMAT test. The practice tests that are out there, especially one on the MBA.com, it has only two practice tests. So for you to do very well on GMAT, you definitely need to be able to have more practice tests to use. So let's dive right into this new software we've designed just to help you get more practice tests that are designed just like the test, the GMAT test. All right, so as you could see here, we have, I've already kind of gone ahead and done a couple of practice tests here. And when you get this product on our website, successprep.com, the next thing you really want to do after you've bought the software, the online practice test, is to go ahead and log in, which is what I just did. And as you log in, all you have to do is we usually have them in different packages, and depending on which package you have all your tests already set up here. And all you have to do is just click on administer test, and that would start up a brand new test. And when you do that, it will kind of look like this. When you click on administer test, it kind of comes up like this. And with this, you could pretty much just click on start right there and just kind of go through it. If you've done the GMAT test at all before, you can recognize this is a very familiar setup, just like the real GMAT test. So it's just going to be very familiar territory. As you can see here, I'm in integrated reasoning section, and you could just kind of go through the test that way. It looks just like the GMAT test. There's a timer at the top right there. You could flag the question for review later and stuff. Let me actually end the test here because I've already done some tests and I kind of want to walk you through how this kind of plays out. As you can see, a couple of the features I want to highlight here is the 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 buttons here. It says the review test. As you can see, there are different kind of buttons. There's a review test, which is for a test we've completed, and there's a resume test for a test we're kind of ongoing, we're doing currently. So let's click on the review test option. So if you click on the review test option, you can see here, this is a test that I've actually done. Obviously, I didn't pay attention to it, which is why it's a 200. I just kind of clicked through. But a couple of features here is if you click on the time management feature, this is huge because you're actually able to look down each section, kind of see how much time you spent on it, and also the number of questions answered and stuff. So this is really good analytics. This shows you on the verbal section, quant and integrated reasoning section, like how many questions how much time you spent in each section. So kind of breaking it down for you per section. Also here, this obviously shows the exam results, but in the review test option, this is big too. If you click on the review test in the top left there, you could see pretty much how you did in each section. So if you just click on the bars there, it kind of pulls up that section and what you did in each section. Now, obviously, when you take a test, a practice test, one of the things you want to be able to do is review and try to pick up the things you got wrong. And that's one of the things that's really awesome about this practice test. We've designed it in such a way that even after you've done the test, we have detailed explanations on what the answer is and also explanations to the answers. So let's click on review incorrect right here. If I click on review incorrect, it takes us to a page where it kind of shows all the incorrect sections. Now, the beginning of the GMAT test is the integrated reasoning section. So it starts off with the integrated reasoning section and all the ones I missed there. So I'm just going to kind of scan through this a little bit. So as you can see, it shows all the ones we missed. So for example here, if I wanted to know, okay, why did I miss this question? What is the correct answer? I'm going to click on show answer, and what it does is actually gives me the answers there. But I can also click on explanation, which actually pops up this little menu that kind of explains to me how that question should have been answered and what the correct answer is and how you can get to the correct answer. And this is the huge part of this tool. So let me go into the math section here for a minute. And obviously integrated reasoning is math, but I want to go into the actual quant section. So if you go to this quant question, for example here, in this question it says what is the correct answer. Now in this case I picked 240. If you click on show answer, it actually shows that the answer should be 360. Well, if I click on explanation, it kind of breaks down that question to me and say, okay, this is what you should have done, this is what you should be looking at. And this is valuable as you study for the GMAT. So that is pretty much the GMAT review right there, just kind of showing you how this tool works. This little bar here is the exit So I just click on that, exit, and that's it. You can always exit right back to this full screen here that shows all the tests you've bought and stuff. And also, if you click on my score, it also shows you kind of like a little graph of how you're doing, how you did on exam one, exam two. This just kind of shows you, okay, are you improving? Are you going down? Are you going up? And that's it. So thank you very much for checking this demo out for this new adaptive GMAT practice test tool software on successprep.com.